We're here at Peacekeepers Park in Angus, just near base Borden, where we have and have had a military base in Canada for a very long time. So this is an action by World Beyond War, Simcoe for Palestine, and Pivot for Peace coming together to bring attention to war. And in particular, we're wanting to bring more attention to Palestine. So I'm going to read out a number of things that are happening currently in Israel and Palestine. So Israel has targeted the healthcare system in Palestine for decades. They know that healthcare is life, and when hospitals are attacked and have to shut down, people in the area have no healthcare and have no choice but to move. It is a means of ethnic cleansing. All hospitals in Gaza have been attacked, as well as some on the West Bank. Israel continues to restrict entry of life-saving generators, oxygen, water supplies, and medicine. Thousands of healthcare workers have been killed and 450 have been abducted. Dr. Hussam Abu Safiya, a pediatrician who was the director of Kamal Adwan, pled to the world to allow supplies and medical delegations to help save lives. But the hospital was burned down and he was arrested for staying with his patients. And he's being tortured, deprived of medical care, and humiliated. There are 10,000 Palestinian political prisoners who are denied legal help, and many are held without charge. This includes 365 children. We call for their immediate release.
Ruba Fahmi Muhammad Dar Assi. The seriousness of her crimes included selling discounted books, hanging flags and pictures of martyrs, and she was sentenced to 21 months in prison.
Keitham Ismail Muhammad Khatib, an outspoken advocate for the rights of women, issued a series of administrative detention orders between November 2020 and July 2021 for alleged activist work in the banned Popular Front for the Liberation of Palestine, detained based on secret information shared between the prosecution and judge that was not shared with her or her lawyer.
Ola Mashoud, one of more than 400 cases of Palestinians arrested for alleged incitement between 2015 and 2017. Sentenced to 7 months in prison. Over her interrogation period of 17 days, Ola was in a cold, exposed cell with a constant orange light. The interrogators threatened her family, told her she would not be able to return to school, insulted and taunted her. Her charges were mainly incitement through posts on social media.
Okay.
Muhammad Natchit, arrested at 17 years old, claims that he possessed a knife.
Detained by Israel, Nur Kayed Sag Isa, arrested at 16 years old, claim he posted on Facebook.
Mohammed Dawood Mahalai, arrested at 16, tortured and beaten with a fractured lower leg. Imad Mohammed Salem Al Said, no charges, beaten with sticks, burned with cigarettes. Rami Bassem Saifik Shambayel, arrested at 16 with no charges, beaten severely with rifles, causing hemorrhaging.
Anna Sela Abdullah Barghouti Anna, one of 3,558 Palestinian administrative detainees imprisoned without known charges. Administrative detainee under policy of revenge against your family.
Diala Nader Ibrahim Ida, lawyer arrested at checkpoint, abused, insulted, and neglected while awaiting confirmation of detention order. Issued administrative detention order at Offer Military Court for connections to activists in the Popular Front. Judge claims Diala poses a threat to the security of the nation.